Welcome back to your daily dose of discovery. Let's unravel today's intriguing question.
Some cough syrups contain dextromethorphan, which can cause hyperactivity or restlessness in teens. These ingredients affect the brain, leading to unusual energy, especially when misused or overused. Always follow dosing instructions carefully. And if your teen experiences hyperactivity after taking cough medicine, consult a doctor immediately.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.